Hi, and welcome to Let's Learn to Sew. My name is Margaret. First off, if you are new to the channel, this is your first time visiting, and you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. If you've watched a few of my videos and still haven't hit subscribe, I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. So today's video is not a technique video, but I do promise there's one coming in a day or two. Today's video is me asking you for some help. So if you've watched my last few videos, you know that I'm in nursing school. I had a small break between the end of May and then classes start back up for me on Wednesday. I've been working on videos. It has felt good to get back into my sewing room and to sew, work on some patterns and some blog posts. But during that time I started thinking, I hope that the videos I'm creating are what you want and that they're answering the questions that you have or showing you the techniques that you want to know. So I decided I'd do this quick video and give you guys a chance to tell me if there's a specific video that you'd like to see made. You can let me know down in the comments section. I'm open to pretty much anything that is related to sewing, using a serger, or pattern making and tailoring. Just give you guys some ideas. If there's a specific tool or a sewing machine foot or serger foot that you'd like to see demonstrated or a technique, let me know down in the comments and I'll be happy to put together a video and blog post for you. The other thing I wanted to do was just to invite you really quick over to the Facebook group that we have. It's a private group. I'll leave a link down in the description. It also should be popping up for you that you can click on. There'll be a couple of questions to answer. They're just generic questions to keep out bots, but you can join the group. You can ask more questions there and share what you're working on. So that's it. Just wanted to get you guys' help on that, and hopefully you'll have some input for me. And as always, be sure to visit Let's Learn to Sew, your sewing and pattern making headquarters.